Welcome back from the break. Remember, you're watching the #1 place for entertainment and lifestyle. It's all about Pree Dis. Of course, I'm your host, Kruddy. Now we have a new feature. It's called Youth in Sport, and our first candidate goes by the name of Gleneve Grange. She's a big star down by Holmwood. Everybody know Holmwood. Holmwood Technical Eye. A whole bunch of stars come out of that school. So guess what? Youth in Sport, Gleneve, just take over my show for a slight second there.
This Youth in Sports feature is brought to you by Juiciful. Juiciful with say. 16-year-old Gleneve Grange is among the top athletes at Homewood Technical High School in Manchester. She has excelled in shot put, javelin, discus and heptathlon, having won gold at various meets including the Girls Champs and the Pen Relays. Gleneve is an inspiration to her peers. She has mastered academics and sports quite proficiently. Her journey in sports began while attending primary school. With support from family, friends, and her community, she describes herself as an all-round athlete. Inspired by her aunt and manager politician Olivia Babsy Grange, Gleneve lists Olympic champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price as her track idol. Currently studying general studies with arts and history, Gleneve Grange plans to pursue a career in graphic arts and interior designing. She describes winning gold at Girls Champs and the Pen Relays, as well as breaking the national record among her career highlights. At the recently held Pen Relays in the US, Gleneve said she went with a mindset to make her family proud. Homewood Technical High School student Gleneve Grange is an inspiration to many youngsters and is our Youth in Sports feature athlete for this week. This feature was brought to you by Juiciful. Juiciful USA.
Now, if you're watching this show, whatever song we show you at #1, is #1 in not just the Caribbean, but also in North America on the dancehall chart. You're watching Pree Dis, and it's no time for the Pree Dis Top 10 chart. Check it out.
Yeah, whatever you're doing to me can't be real, so I must be dreaming. I must be dreaming. Oh, I must be dreaming.
Sit and run out a race in the love saga. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die.
If you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road.
Put it up, my friend. Then I kill it, scalp when me sit can't done. Cause I'm me a puppy good when make
So next time when the video man pass, walk up in the light and pose. Girl, your body gooder than gold mine. Walk up and down and wine.
For you, there's no mountain I won't climb. For you, there ain't no ocean.
That's lyrics, mash up the place, but you are not for this. Yo, me nah miss #1 funny list. Mash up the place. Oh my.
For me slow for the love you no girl, but a kiss for me no for the love you no girl. Pan your toe for the love you no girl. Oh, you bad. Pan your toe for the love you no girl. Oh, you bad. You make your wind up your structure so girl.
My high and my low, you're my stop and my go, you're my everything.
Baby, me woulda get with you, but guess why it no healthy? But come and know say it no help me. You want hype up me, laid back, you want load up me.
As you can see the scenery behind me, the whole Pree Dis team, them couldn't wait for me, but big up to everybody week in, week out right here on Pree Dis, the whole Caribbean partner. If I forgo night, my food I get cold. I'm gonna want that. So until next week, I'm your host Kruddy, Kevin the producer, Ryan assistant producer, big up Jeremy, you don't know, the whole team. Pree Dis, I'm out.